What we're talking about here is something that a lot of guests that come on the podcast on podcasting, when they help us figure out how to be a better interviewer, they say these three things here: active listening, genuine curiosity, and follow-up questions. And what it means is, instead of you just only thinking of what is my next question going to be, where am I going to go with this, it's spending more time using your 2 ears, 1 mouth, the way that they're intended, where you're listening more than you're talking. You're understanding, you're not trying to get a word in here edgewise, you're trying to get a listen in here. You're trying to understand who that person is. So active listening. And I put /genuine curiosity because the way that I resonate most with this is by being genuinely curious. If I can ask questions and because I like somebody, because I genuinely care about them, because I genuinely want to understand where they came from, how they got here, it changes from asking questions just for other reasons, for example. But the genuine curiosity just opens it up. And a benefit to this is that the guest can feel that genuine curiosity. And as you guys engage with each other, that's you and your guest, as you are engaging with each other, you create an engaging episode. As you two have positive banter, as you two care about each other and care about where this episode is going, and as you care about that person and where they came from, your listener will go along with that journey. They will, you'll allow them to have that genuine curiosity with you and to be able to get those answers.